How to set up multiple checking accounts in Relay Bank. Tired of messy business finances where everything piles up in one place? What if I told you there's a simple, fast way to separate your payroll, operating expenses, and tax savings within minutes, all inside your Relay Business Bank account? I've been using Relay for a while now, and setting up multiple checking accounts is one of its most powerful, yet often overlooked, features for maintaining a clean P&L and sticking to profit-first principles. Main content: the step-by-step guide. Here's the quick process I follow to set up my multiple checking accounts. Log in and navigate. First, log into your Relay account on your desktop. On the left-hand navigation menu, look for the Accounts section. This is where all your existing accounts, including your initial checking account, are listed. Start the creation process. In the top right corner of the account screen, you'll see a button that says Plus Create Account. Click that button to begin. Choose Account Type. A window will pop up asking you to select the account type. For separating your business funds for day-to-day operations and savings, always select Checking Account. Name your account strategically. This is the most important part. Give the account a name that clearly defines its purpose. Don't just use Account 2. Use a descriptive title like Operating Expenses, Owner's Pay/Payroll, Tax Savings, Federal and State, Profit Reserve. For example, I'm going to create one now called Quarterly Tax Payments. Review and finalize. After naming it, click the Create Account button. Relay will instantly provision the new account. Access new account details. Once created, the new account appears immediately on your main accounts list. Click on the new account. For me, it's the Quarterly Tax Payments account. You can now access all the critical details you need. Its own unique account number. The same primary routing number as your initial account. Pro tip: every new checking account you create in Relay is a fully separate entity with its own unique account number. This is crucial for automation. You can link payroll services or transfer tools directly to these specific accounts, ensuring your funds go exactly where they need to, every time. You can also move funds instantly between these accounts without any transfer fees or waiting periods. That's it. Within 3 simple clicks, you've gone from one checking account to a completely organized financial system. This setup is key to automating your profit-first allocations and simplifying your bookkeeper's life during tax season. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.